We're camping in the preschool backyard today. Oh, it is so peaceful. I'm just getting the barbecue ready to cook some Johnny cakes. The grill is nice and hot.
Who's hungry? Me. I've brought all the things you asked me to bring, Nick. We've got the water, we've got some jam and a fan.
Thank you, Mia. The grill is just right for cooking.
Amazing.
Now, I've already washed my hands.
Oh, okay, I'll wash mine too.
Now, we'll also need a nice big bowl for the Johnny cakes.
All right.
And these are the ingredients.
What have we got there?
We've got some butter, some salt, some milk powder, and some self-raising flour, all already measured out.
Oh, okay. Well, what goes in first?
Well, first we add all of the dry ingredients into the bowl. There we go. Oh. Milk powder. And lastly, a pinch of salt.
Okay, well, that looks delicious. I mean, it does look a bit dry, but hey, I'll try it, so I'm hungry.
Wait, Mia. There's something missing.
Oh.
Do you know what it is? That's right, we need to add water.
Oh, of course, and that explains why you had me bring the water here. How much do we need?
Half a cup.
Okay. Filling up this little cup here. All right, that looks like it's about half a cup.
Thank you, Mia. I'll just get you to help me pour that in.
All right, let's add this water to the Johnny cake dough.
Oh, it's fun to make things. Yeah, it's fun to make things. Making things is fun. Making things is fun. There.
Wow.
Our Johnny cake dough is all ready for shaping.
Amazing. Well, let's pop some flour down on the wooden board here.
Yep, so the dough doesn't stick.
Yep. Maybe we'll
We should put some flour on our hands as well, Mia.
on our hands. And then we can scoop out the dough onto the chop. You might need to hold the bowl.
I'll help you.
All right. Let's get it out.
Good one. There we go. Well, looks like it's time to start shaping the dough.
Let's do it.
Oh, it's fun to shape things. Yeah, it's fun to shape things. Shaping things is fun. Shaping things is fun. Well, we have still got a few more to go, so let's keep shaping. Oh, it's fun to shape things. Yes, it's fun to shape things. Shaping things is fun. Shaping things is fun.
Wow. We've got quite a few Johnny cakes here.
Last one there.
Oh.
Looks like our Johnny cake dough is all ready to cook.
Amazing. All right, well, let's pop it on the grill. Here we've got some butter.
Yes, now it's very important with this part that you get an adult to help you. Open the lid there. Let's get that butter on, Mia.
Yes, we're using regular butter today, but you could use non-dairy butter or oil too.
Ooh, look at it melting. Oh, it smells good. I'll just spread that out a bit more. And let's get that Johnny cake dough on the grill. 1, 2, 3, and the others.
Smells amazing.
Oh, it smells so good. Let's get it in that butter. A few more to go. There we go. And the last one. Put that there. Oh my gosh. Look at those Johnny cakes sizzling. This is living. Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees. A sheep or two and a kangaroo, a clothesline out the back, veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair. Just turn those over.
Turn them over. I'm just cleaning up the station
Thank
here.
you, Mia.
Why don't we go and set up camp for our picnic, Nick?
Oh, that is a great idea, Mia.
All right.
Just close the lid. You can see me in the kitchen cooking up a roast.
Or Vegemite on toast. Just you and me and a cup of tea.
And later on we'll settle down and go out on the porch and watch the possums play. Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees. A sheep or two and a kangaroo, a clothesline out the back, veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair. The Johnny cakes.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's so lovely to be setting up camp for a lovely picnic and having a nice cup of tea. How are the Johnny cakes looking, Nick?
They're all done.
Wow, they look excellent. Oh, I'm gonna try one.
No, wait, Mia. There's something we need to do first. We need to cool them down.
Of course, that's why you asked me to bring this fan. All right, let's cool them down. All right, are they ready?
They are ready.
All right.
No, wait, Mia. There's still something we need to do. We need to add toppings.
Of course, that's why you asked me to bring this jam. Well, I'm going to have my Johnny cakes with some jam on top.
Johnny cakes taste so good on their own, so I am going to have mine plain. Shall we try them, Mia?
I think we should.
Delicious.
Yum. These are the best Johnny cakes I've had. Have you ever been on a picnic or been camping before?
Wow, that was super fun. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Subscribe to ABC Kids for more Play School content or head over to ABC iView for full Play School episodes.